machine setting and skiving, and defect analysis.
Now let's see how the machine can be set to achieve the different widths and thicknesses required for the various types of skives. The width of the skive can be increased by lowering the height adjustment screw and shortened by raising it. The width can also be increased by lowering the angle of the pressure foot. Moving the guide wider also increases the width of the skive. The thickness of the skive can be increased by raising the height adjustment screw or decreased by lowering it. Moving the guide forward reduces the width and increases the depth. Raising the angle of the pressure foot increases the thickness of the skive. Angle of skive is obtained by lowering or raising the height adjustment screw.
Edge skive is usually obtained by just raising the pressure foot and adjusting the guide. For a fold skive, the foot should be parallel to the roller. The width should be twice the fold. Skive for light leather, skive for hard leather. An underlay skive requires the foot to be raised slightly in the front and depressed in the center. Adjust the guide. Toe puff and counters are skived for an underlay. Toe puff splitting in progress. For splitting on the single step skiver, the guide is removed. Adjust the pressure foot parallel to the knife. And now for the common faults. Width too wide. Result, after folding, it leaves a gap. Pressure foot angle low. Raise angle. Guide set wide. Adjust guide. Pressure foot height low. Raise height. Width too narrow. Result, ridge after folding. Pressure foot height and angle high. Lower height and angle. Guide set narrow. Adjust guide. Width variable. Incorrect guiding. Keep to guide. Blunt knife. Sharpen it. Clogged feed roller. Clear blockage. Worn machine parts. Refer to mechanic. Edge too thin. Result creates a hollow after folding. Pressure foot angle and height low. Raise angle and height. Edge too thick. Result ridge after folding. Pressure foot height and angle high. Lower height and angle. If the height is all right, then the guide is set narrow. Adjust guide. Edge irregular. Guide not set properly. Adjust guide. Blunt knife and position too far. Sharpen and adjust. Feed roller low and set too far. Adjust position. Ridge on skive. Blunt knife. Sharpen it. Clogged feed roller. Clear blockage. Worn machine parts. Report to mechanic. Glazing on leather. Blunt knife. Sharpen it. Workpiece sticking. Apply Teflon tape to foot.
Let us now see how skives are related to footwear. A finished shoe with aesthetic appeal, wearing comfort and durability requires a wide variety of skives. Here we shall do a destructive demonstration to show the use of these skives. Here are two shoes, one employing the invisible seam. The invisible seam looks like this from inside. Observe the use of the skive to give a finished, smooth appearance. The upper, in case of a heavily designed shoe, looks like this from inside. Notice the different skives employed both on the inside and the underlay to give a nice, smooth and aesthetic appearance.